my name is Justin Landick with Dawn Equipment and Underground Ag. We're here today showing our InRowl product line. It's a product that allows growers to use it in a couple different ways to basically in-roll cover crops, also to suppress weeds, to suppress a living green mulch in between the rows, and also for customers who don't have the growing season of the cover crop to allow green cover to get as tall to establish that mulch. So what they can do is they can plant into standing cover, manageable standing cover, then let that cover crop get tall enough, come back in with this tool and roll that material down. It's kind of a similar product to our ZRX roller crimper, very similar technology within the bearings, the chevron pattern to pull that material towards the center line of the unit. Also what we have here is these outside deflector guards, which will also pull material over the center line of the row, over the top of the plant. We offer it in a hydraulic controlled version and also a spring version as well. Depending on what type of cover crop is planted is going to be utilize that tool plus this tool as well. This tool will allow the grower to let that cover crop grow a little bit more and also at the same time suppress a living mulch if they're having a living mulch in between the rows from a weed suppression standpoint, nitrogen standpoint, and just an extra tool in the toolbox. But I think we're going to see a pretty big market in the northern states where they can't get that established cover crop with the shorter growing months.